Welcome to Thoughts and Discourses on Digital Transformation. Dive into a world of insightful conversations and profound ideas. Join us as we explore the latest trends, challenges, and opportunities in the digital age.
Okay, welcome back to another quick 10-minute demo that I'm doing. Again, I'm continuing with the HTTP 402 protocol. I got some feedback regarding more examples on how you go implement it. So here, what I've done is actually, implemented kind of a gamification using HTTP 402. And you can see here, it's I've created a domain name x402muse.com, and the first one I did was painters, and so there's a good example, right, where you can make a painting. It's very blurry, and you can start to make it. You get a few free guesses, and then you can try and see what guess that who painted this. And then I've got a couple of ways where where was it displayed, right? And you can unlock the answer to that. And of course, I have to connect my wallet, and it will actually connect my wallet, and I'll have to put in my password. And it'll probably give me the warning, right? It says the domain is new. Only proceed if you trust the site. Yeah, I just built the domain, so. Here we go, and it's going to pay, and you can see here this is where it's and then you can go do your guess. The other one I've got is schools, so you can see that's a red SC, so I'm guessing that is Southern California. So I'm going to put my guess in and see what it says. Yay, I got it right. Same thing here. If we go to the next one, I don't even know what that is. I can make it less blurry. Okay, so that's Caltech, obviously. So I don't know if it would accept Caltech. Yeah, accept Caltech. So what I'm trying to do is to do name matches on that. And then, of course, the other thing is I can, you got some hints. Do a team name, use a Phantom wallet to go do that, and hopefully it's going to come up right, Huskies, right? So you can see here, we've got the weekly prize is based on everybody that does this, and I've made it really cheap. It's 0.00001 sol. And so just another example of how it all works with HTTP 402 using this, which is just another example of why this protocol is pretty interesting to leverage. What I did to build this was used Claude Code integrated with VS Code, and then I deployed it from GitHub using GitHub Action over to DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean, you can think of it as Azure or AWS for dummies. It's pretty easy to get up and running. It's got a little bit of power, but it doesn't have a lot of the other services, but it is easy to use. And so if you look here, this is some bugs that I've had over the last couple of days as I'm building this. And the other thing is I've not fully implemented a SAST and DAST tool. So SAST is static analysis, DAST is dynamic analysis, security. But I've now started to have some security scans, right? And you can see here, I've left this so people can see it. There's no critical issues. There's 3 high and 6 moderate. You can go down, scroll down here, to see what the issues are. And that's the other thing I'm doing is running security linting, which is interesting to see. And basically I've got a blocking capability. If there's any critical issues, the build won't deploy. So again, this is kind of I would say basics for implementing these websites using the GenAI tools. And this one is a great example of leveraging this. And of course I'm using the Phantom wallet Again, mainly because the cost, or the types of prizes are very low cost, right? So that's probably the best way of doing that. So there we go. Have a look. Hopefully it's interesting to people and get people excited about some of these protocols and leveraging GenAI to make it easier to build applications. Okay, thanks.